Topo House, a masterpiece by Martin Dulanto Arquitecto, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence between human habitation and the surrounding natural environment. Created with deep respect for the land, the house minimizes its impact on the fragile ecosystem. This is achieved through a careful design that blends in with the topography, making it appear smaller than its actual footprint. The lower floor, where life develops in communion with nature, is half submerged in the ground, embracing the rustic and organic essence of its surroundings. This floor houses the social and service areas, including a welcoming terrace, a refreshing swimming pool, a comfortable living room, a well-appointed kitchen, and essential service spaces. The materials used here reflect the earthy tones of the landscape, further strengthening the connection with nature. In stark contrast, the upper floor, a pure block entirely clad in warm wood, appears to lean slightly on the ground. This floor, dedicated to rest and rejuvenation, houses the private bedrooms, each offering stunning views of the surrounding lagoon and river. Its elevated position transforms each bedroom into a secluded viewpoint, allowing its inhabitants to immerse themselves in the tranquility of the natural panorama. The transition between the two levels is marked by a graceful staircase, a sculptural element that connects the humble lower level with the serene nature above. The first level, where the bedrooms are located, is designed as a large wooden box, a sanctuary of tranquility nestled within the green landscape. Beyond the private living space, the upper level also features a comfortable living room, providing a space to relax and gather together. Carefully considered storage solutions throughout the home convey a sense of order and harmony, allowing residents to fully enjoy the serenity of their surroundings. Topo House is more than just a place to live. It is an architectural expression of respect for the environment and a celebration of the harmonious relationship between human housing and nature. It is a testament to the power of design to create beautiful and sustainable spaces, allowing residents to live in harmony with their surroundings. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.